Hey everyone, tonight we're going to do a pan-seared salmon with a white wine sauce with some herbs. It's super easy and your guests are going to love it, so let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you our ingredients. So I've started off with a cast iron skillet which I've put on low to slowly heat, and I'll turn it up before we put in the salmon. So of course we have our salmon, we have our sage and fresh cilantro from the garden. We're going to use some canola oil, some white wine, and our flour. And I'm going to also add in some paprika as well. But this is super easy, and like I said, your guests are going to think it's super impressive. So we've got our hot pan and a little bit of canola oil. So we're going to take one of our salmon patties, one of our salmon fillets. Just going to toss that in our flour and paprika. These are going to cook fast, so we're going to go ahead and do them all at the same time because we don't want our fish to cook unevenly. Did a little sea salt too, and we're going to place these first skin side down. And now we're going to give these a flip. So now we're going to take these out. They usually don't take too long to cook. And we're going to start on our pan sauce. We're going to pour in some white wine. Throw in our herbs. A little of our flour and paprika that we toss the fish in, a little butter or margarine, a little half and half, and you just whisk that for a minute. Now I've turned the heat off, and we're just going to toss our salmon back in our sauce for just a second. And there you have it, bone apple teeth.